everlasting elegance. In a sophisticated and secure enclave, this American-style brick townhouse will prove irresistible. 111A King Street is a brand new home of quality high-spec construction and inclusive of electric gates. There's a unique ambiance here that comes with a combination of style, design and detail. You'll be captivated by this magnificent home as soon as you step foot inside, with its picturesque gable lines, traditional detailing, LED light fittings and senior lights, and fully ducted air conditioning. The stunning, well-appointed kitchen will make cooking a dream, and with its open-plan design, you'll enjoy catching up with family and friends while whipping up culinary delights. The spacious master bedroom offers a walk-in wardrobe, a beautiful ensuite and aluminium French doors that open out to a private timber deck. The main bathroom is sleek and stylish, and the attic loft offers numerous choices of multi-use. There's a long list of benefits that make this 3-bedroom home simply irresistible. It's the absolute perfect lock-up and leave residence and is ready for immediate possession. Call Rod or Sue today for your private viewing. Rod and Sue Fleming at Property Brokers Napier. Call Rod or Sue anytime on 027 498 9594.